His Excellency, Governor of Kisumu, Deputy Party Leader, His Excellency James Agurengo, Sierra Governor, Deputy Governors, all protocol observed. Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Lomombo Wade. I'm the Deputy Leader of Majority Kisumu County. First, allow me to congratulate my brother Simba Arati. For me, it would have been a surprise if you were not made a Deputy Party Leader. But because you've been made or named Deputy Party Leader, I'm more than satisfied. And I know where we are heading. Hakuna cha kurudi nyuma. This young man, he has come a long way. I was in Nairobi, I've always been Nairobi. Najina, Haibeni Bure, Simba is a Simba like his name. So, we are on the right track. What is capable of doing, I know. Even when he's made a decision to come to Kisumu, I told my friends, Simba is going to make it in Kisumu, and he made it. What you have mentioned here in 2032, God willing, I'll see it being realized. Simba, the sky is the limit. And the party is on the right track. We have 3 deputies, but they have not mentioned which one comes first, but I can tell you, we have the first deputy, Simba Arati.
Thank you very much. I want to take this opportunity to thank, congratulate Honorable Simba Arati for your invitation to be the Deputy Party Leader of ODM. I think from there we have lessons to learn that loyalty is very important. I think Simba has been very loyal and faithful to the party. And they say that loyalty pays. But when you become disloyal, even in your committee, any member that is loyal is dealt with immediately. So I want to thank you, Honorable Simba, for being loyal. And I also want to thank the party leader, Raila, for having faith and trust in you to be his deputy. They say that behind a successful man, there must be a hardworking woman. So I must also take this opportunity to thank Mama for standing with you. Again, honorable members, I was telling Simba when he was coming in that the sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. Make Kisumu to rise again. In Kisumu, we are 47, but I can tell you we are all ODM. So I want to take this opportunity that come 2027, make sure that Kisumu is painted orange with all these members. Otherwise, thank you very much and welcome to Kisumu again. Thank you.
Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor, Kisumu County, Your Excellency, the Governor, Kisumu County, Your Excellency, the Governor, Sierra County, and all protocols. I'm Jamboni. Your Excellency, it could have come at a better time than now. Indeed, we visited you, as my colleagues have said, and this was the vision. And I can assure you, it's got a purpose, and we can see it in you that we as ODM members are going to liberate this country. We as ODM members mean well for everybody. In Kisumu, all those other parties are a statement to the fact that there is democracy. I'm so excited when I talk to both Kisumu members, believing that come 2027, all of them will be known here. Yes. I want to believe so because they are all here. So I'm so excited to be before you and happy that this has come, and I want to assure you that going forward we will still stand with you, and the little that we discussed when we visited you as majority leaders of Nyanza region, I believe is going to come to fruition. Otherwise, thank you very much. Wanachama, watoto wa baba, you see where baba is, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mambo inaendelea anywhere. And that is where we are going. Challenges could be there, but I want to tell you, ODM means well for everybody who is in this country, and ODM means well for Kisumu country as a whole. and will support you in all of this. Thank you very much. So, before I so hand over